Good morning, Facebook. How are we this morning? We're back in sunny New Biggin. Look at this. Hey, waking up to this in the morning. Absolutely one of my most favourite places in the whole wide world, New Biggin. Really is fantastic. Absolutely gorgeous. Sun's out. Been up since, well, been up for hours. This is my third trip down onto the seafront this morning. Stay there just at the old ship just behind us. Cracking accommodation. So why am I in New Biggin? Well, we're off to see the doctor. We've brought the Pickler Volvo up, we brought Thunderbird 5 up, drove up flawlessly yesterday, and we're going to do a little bit of product testing today. Obviously with the network opening up now, not being tied to a single chemical manufacturer, the network needs to know how all these other chemicals on the market react, under what what temperatures they reach, what they're good at, what they're not so good at, the strengths and weaknesses. So we're going to do we've got 2 days of product testing using the Pickler Volvo and some of the Pickler kit that I brought up. So we're going to have an awesome couple of days testing. For SimplyDiag.net members out there, the community Zoom will be live this morning from DPF Doctor headquarters. So that'll be up and running a bit later on. As we speak now, Rachel's cooking me nice healthy breakfast, so I've got a nice fruit salad for my breakfast, bit of Greek yogurt. It'll be awesome. Morning, Leon, how are you, mate? Yeah, my absolutely favourite place in the world, this. So whatever you're doing this morning, have an awesome day. Be the best you can be. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. If it was your birthday over the weekend and I missed it, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow on Tuesday, happy birthday. Have a great day, folks. It's Monday. Another week, another chance to be awesome. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.